Now let's do the practice of Vajrasana. This is actually a good pose to improve circulation to the upper part of the body and improves the mobility of the lower half of your body, right? If you have indigestion, if you have bloated stomach, this particular pose we recommend to just increase the flow of prana to the abdominal area. So the general posture is to slowly open the heels out, and you are trying to sit on the arch of the feet. So you're not sitting on the heels, you are sitting on the arch of the feet, stretching the shin and your ankles here. Sit tall, sit straight. Shoulders open, stack your head on top of your neck. Become aware of the stretch in the ankle, shin, the supination of your ankle, and chest, shoulders broader and wider. Now, if you find this option not too strenuous to the knees or the ankle, the next one, open the feet wider, slightly roll the calf muscles out, and be very gently, carefully sit on the floor. Please don't swing on the knee. You can even have your arms placed at the back and very slowly guide your body's weight to sit on the floor. If you can't sit on the floor, again, sit tall, sit straight, and hold the knees, stay there. Now, as you are doing this posture, pay attention to the stress point, right? For some of you, it may be the ankle. Some of you, it may be the knees. Some of you, the stretch is felt in the hip joints. Just be aware of these and just let it evenly distribute, right? You can even stay with long breaths as there is no compression to the abdomen or the chest. This really good hip rotation. Remember, these are unique movements we haven't done so far in the sequence, right? So this is the internal hip rotation, a deep knee flexion. Okay, now slowly come back out. Now you can always choose to place your hands at the back and gradually go down as much as your hips and knees can feel an even stretch, not too sharp, too pricky. Then slowly go back, lift your knees, engage your thighs, pull up your kneecaps, counter pose. Great. As we have done these two postures, let's add two more variations to the same pose. Ready? Now stretch your right leg forward, and by slightly rolling the calf muscle out, you see my left foot how it goes outside, and sit straight and tall. Ready? Ideally, there is a few inches gap between the heel and the hip, and try to sit flat and even on both hips. Ready? Now inhale, raise arms up, extend your torso. As we exhale, slowly bend forward as much as you can. Try to keep the center and see if you are able to touch the floor with your forehead. Inhale and look forward. Exhale and bend forward. Relax. If you can't do this, just stay wherever you can, right? Doesn't have to be a forceful forward bending movement. Now slowly release this leg. Deep breathing. Long breath. Now switch to the other leg now. Roll the right calf muscle out. Again, like I said, try to sit flat and even on both hips with your left leg extended straight. Inhale, raise the arms up. Deep breathing. As we exhale, slowly forward fold. And see if you are able to try to roll your buttocks off the floor. Stretch your hamstring, calf muscle. Can we pull the toes and the foot backward? Head touching the left leg. If you can, head touching the floor. stay present, concentrate on your body while you are holding the pose, breathe normally, let the body release that reflex tension, slowly sink into the pose towards gravity. Come back out, relax. Great, deep breathing. Okay, another variation, right? Now keep your right leg straight with your right foot pointing up. Your left arm, first you can start with holding the left calf muscle. See if you can straighten the leg and the back. If you are able to do that, try holding the left foot, straighten the leg and the back. Now here, the focus is to first try and keep a straight back, straight legs and straight arms. So first you try and do that before you start to pull the leg any closer. And watch my shoulders. Don't shrug your shoulders up, shoulders down. And extend the neck. Now can we try to get the arms to pull the leg slowly. Go closer. Can you pull the shoulders down? Closer. Shoulders down. Closer. Lengthen the spine up. And make sure the right and the left heel is stretched out. Dorsiflexion. If you can, if your thigh can touch the abdomen, if you feel like you have more extension and range in your hamstrings, slowly touch your head to the left leg. Concentrate. 5, 4, 3, lift your spine up one more time please. 2 and 1. Relax. Take a long and deep breath. Okay. See, between the postures is nothing wrong to take forceful deep breaths, right? To just bring more movement, oxygen into the lung, right? Now, ready? Now again, holding the calf muscle to pull, option 1, holding the heel or the feet if possible. Now, like I said first, don't straight away pull the leg close to the forehead. Wait for the legs to be straight first, the back to be straight, and the arms to be straight. Both hips are even and flat. Then from here, we breathe in. Then as we breathe out, pull the leg closer, please. Now shoulders down. And it's your arms pulling the leg. Shoulders down. Wait for the thigh and abdomen to touch, and then start bringing the head closer to the leg. Stay there. 5. Watch your back from hunching. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take a deep breath again. Great. So now that we have done this seated folding, let's do a Paschimothanasana, right? So legs straight first. Inhale and raise the arms up. As we exhale, the first round we can just simply slide your arms forward. Just get the arms to slide and stretch. Stretch your heel out, point your toes back, and stay here with your thighs and abdomen touching. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back up. Now can we go second variation? Inhale, raise arms up. If you have got any back weakness, any back condition, avoid putting too much force from your arms. So the arms are only guiding you to lengthen the spine, not to force your body down towards the floor. It's to pull your torso away from the hips. Again, shoulders down. Dorsiflex your ankle, pull your feet back. It's a really nice extension to the calf and hamstrings. Inhale out. Now if your abdomen is touching the thighs, the third version. Inhale, raise arms up. As we exhale, longer spine. Now see if you are able to hold your heels. You see how my arms? Before we were flexing the foot and doing that action. Now you are holding the heels and try opening the elbows, go further. Feel that nice compression to the abdomen, the long and deep stretch to the thighs and the back. Please be gentle, don't get too aggressive with the pull. Ready? If your abdomen can touch your thighs, then the face touch your legs. Can you open the elbows wider? 3, 2, 1, and relax. Come back out. A long deep breath. Great. Now that was all stretching the hamstrings and the calf. Now let's do one inner thighs, because we have done the standing Smaranasana, the spider pose. That can be a good warm-up for this posture, right? So with your hands gently pressing the thighs, bring this flapping action. So your arms are giving a bit of that push. Your legs are just relaxed state, your arms giving that push. Don't press the knees, press your thighs. Okay, now holding the feet like this. See my arms? I interlace my fingers, holding the feet. Try and lift your spine up, chest forward. You're almost trying to roll off your tailbone, chest forward. Can we try that again? Inhale. As we exhale, chest forward, elbows back, raise the chin. Okay, these are just small techniques to bring the forward rolling of the pelvis action, right? So from the pelvis, which is normally tilted backward, you're trying to lift it upright, and you are trying to bring it forward with the help of your back muscles engaging action. Right? Every day sitting against a flat wall in a butterfly will also give you progress with this posture. A good 5 to 10 minutes of that seat. Ready? The next one, holding the ankles please. Arms holding the ankles with your elbows pushing your thighs, right? So you are bringing that action of your elbows pushing into the thighs. Your back will be slightly hunched, head towards the floor. Can we slowly come back out? Now this really helps if your thighs are here, right? So as we go forward, you are gently pressing down on the thighs. You're with your own effort. Not easy to coordinate, but just try as much as you can, right? One more time please. Inhale. You can pull your ankles, lift your chest up. Then as we exhale, elbows push your thighs down, chin forward. You can even hold your feet and get the elbows to push your thighs towards the floor or the shin bone, but look forward. Don't let the back round too much. Inhale and relax. Okay, last one. We do a complete forward bending movement. Let's say if your thighs, knees are lifting up, more than a foot, you may want to sit on a block, so it adds some gravity effect to this posture, right? So because you are coming from a height, the gravity force will help you to fold forward deeper. But if your thighs can already touch the floor, you are ready to do this without sitting on the blocks. Ready? Inhale, lift your chest up, shoulders back. Raise the arms up please. Everyone raise the arms up. Inhale. As we exhale, slowly walk forward. Now the goal is to not touch your forehead to the floor. It's to bring your chest and the abdomen close to the feet. Chest and the abdomen. And give time. Slowly wriggle left and right. Wriggle left and right. Wriggle more. One more. And stay there. Now slowly bend forward. Drop the head down. If your abdomen is closer to the feet, if your head is touching the floor, just engage your back muscles, chin to the floor if you can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So some of you might feel a big stretch in the inner groin area. Some of you it's the inner thighs. Sometimes is this rolling motion can bring that twisting stress to the knee. For some of you it may be the lower back stretch or a deep compression on your lumbosacral joint. Many experiences as per your limitation. Right. Release your legs, please. Drop the knees left and right. Remember, when you drop the knees left and right, don't move your shoulders. Keep your shoulders fixed. See, my arms are slightly further away from my hips. Okay. Straighten the legs. Deep breathing once. One more deep breath. Okay. Let's do this slow oscillation movement. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale and come up. Exhale to the plow pose. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale to the plow pose. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale to the plow. Last one more. Inhale. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale to the plow. Now stay in the plow. You can gently squeeze your elbows in behind your back. If you find this very difficult to touch the floor, you can keep your knees bent and just keep your legs wherever you can. If you have a wall behind you, you can have your feet touching the wall and hold it wherever you can. If you are touching the floor, try the option of interlacing the fingers at the back, straightening the arms. 5. Lift your hips up. 4. Lift your hips higher. Shoulders push into the floor. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly roll back and lie down. Don't raise your head. Put your legs in the butterfly pose. Rest your palms on the thighs. Just relax your shoulders, neck. Deep breathing through the nostrils twice. Deep breathing. One more time. Relax. Now turn the head left and right. Slowly, left and right.